Hi and a very good morning to all of you. In the previous lecture, we saw that how we proved a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus twice of ab. In this video, I'll show you that using this result, how we will prove our Pythagoras theorem. Right? I hope you are all familiar with this theorem. It is a very old theorem, rather I would say 1000 years ago it was proved by Pythagoras himself. Right? He was a famous mathematician of Greece. Now, what does my Pythagoras theorem says? Rather, it says that if I have a right angle triangle, right, A, B, C, and I take this length to be x, y, and the hypotenuse is z, then according to Pythagoras theorem, x square plus y square will give me the square of the hypotenuse, right? Z square. Now, we'll move towards the proof of the Pythagoras theorem. Now for the proof, again we will start from the very basic, right? We will draw a line of arbitrary length. We will take a point on it, right? The same procedure. The shorter length I will take it to be x and the longer one will be y. Again, I'll complete my whole square. Again, I'll take everywhere the shorter ones to be x. Now I'll simply join them. Right? Now I'll take the length of the inner squares to be z. Right? Now I told you a plus b whole square. It was a square plus b square plus twice of ab. In this case I am taking x and y. So the area of my whole square will be x square plus y square plus twice of xy. I have substituted a and b with x and y. Right? Now this is the area of my whole square. Now if we talk about the inner square, again we can see that all the sides are equal. So the area of the inner square will be z square. Right? Now we know that all the angles of a square are how much? 90 degree. Right? So we have four right angle triangles whose areas we have to consider, right, for equating it equal to whole square. Now we have four right angle triangle, so let it be. And what is the area of a triangle? Half into base into height. In this case, half into, right, y dot into x. The dot means into, right? So I'll cut it with this. Now what I have? X square plus y square plus twice of xy is equal to z square plus 2 into yx or 2 of xy. It will be one and the same thing, right? These two terms will get cancelled, right? Because they have positive signs and they are on the opposite sides of the equation. So I'll get the value of x square plus y square is equal to z square, right? Now Pythagoras theorem, I would say, was the first powerful theorem. Why? Because if I draw any right angle triangle, it will be true for it. For example, I draw a very basic right angle triangle. Right? You can all say this is a right angle triangle and the Pythagoras theorem will hold on it. But if I draw an unusual looking right angle triangle, for example this, or example this, the condition is that it should be a right angle triangle. So this theorem will also hold for this unusual looking right angle triangle. So it was a very important and a powerful theorem. I hope you all got it and I hope you all enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for further videos. Thank you.